What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video. And today, well, I want to talk to you about this. This thumb-sized 4K vlogging and action camera is absolutely mind-blowing. Let's go. Now, before I unbox the Insta360 Go 3S, it's important to me that you know this. I have been a fan of Insta360 for a long time. Just recently, I bought the gimbal, no affiliation to Insta360 until this video. This is one of the reasons I chose to accept a sponsored video from them, is because I use their products and they are absolutely fantastic for content creators such as myself. I also, last year, had the Insta360 X3. This 360 degree camera came with me to Vegas. I think I've actually had it nearly 2 years now. It is just an absolute dream to use, and Insta360 know that I'm looking for the X4 now that we're buddies. Who knows, I might be able to get myself one from them. But yeah, just wanted to let you know that I've used Insta360 before, and that's the only reason I'll accept sponsored videos. I will not accept sponsors from just anyone. They have to be trusted and good value for money, and folks, trust me, all the products they sell are unreal value for money. So, anyway, to the Insta360 Go 3S. This is the world's smallest and lightest 4K action / vlogging camera. Spoiler, you know I've unboxed it. I'll show you a couple of things already. This is the main event. This here has a 2.2 inch flip out screen. Insta360 are looking to go down the vlogging route, so you can use this as a vlogging camera while still viewing yourself on the flip out screen. However, as you know, I used my one recently on my trip to Lapland with the family, and this was the major selling point. This is the full Buna. The 4K 30 frames per second, nearly an hour of video recording, all comes in this tiny gem. And as you'll see from the footage, in fact, I'll flash some up now, the light this sensor brings in, the stabilization is just unreal. So, in terms of what else is in the box, this is the main box you will get if you buy it without the creator bundle. You have, I should also say, you get this pendant. This goes around your neck and you simply just attach this to the pendant. And the magnets themselves are super strong, and you can have it in landscape mode or vertical. So if you want to do some TikToks or reels, whatever it is you youngsters want to do, you don't always have to go for that landscape 16:9 long format. Anyway, I'm rabbiting. In the box, we have more goodies. This is a sticky pad that allows you to use the 1/4 inch thread to pop on a tripod or to pop on one of the mounts and use this in various different scenarios. Now, I already mentioned that this magnetically clips to there. It also magnetically clips anywhere. You can put this on any magnetic implement, any piece of metal, and it'll stay. It is honestly clutch for B-roll. Now, also in here you get, as mentioned, that thread. So put this on your mount, clip it on anything you like, and you're good to go. You also get the camera clip built in here, so you can go ahead and clip that onto your hat, your jersey, wherever you want to clip it, and it ain't going anywhere. It ain't going to fall out no matter how hard you shake it. That's exactly how I use mine and got all this fantastic footage. But let's keep going. Here we have some other attachments. Now, you can use this on motorbikes, push bikes, you can attach it to your dog. There are so many different attachments, and if you've not got anything magnetic, there are sticky labels that you can just stick this to as well, so that you can get the best shot in any situation. Now, I should say as well, inside the box was a USB-C cable for data transfers and for charging the device, this main thing here. So, that's the unboxing. Now let's talk about and show you my full experience and give you my honest impressions of the Insta360 Go 3S. So, there we have it. You've seen the unboxing. We've talked a little bit about the features, but I just want to clarify everything that this little guy packs in. We've talked that it's a 4K 30 frames per second video recorder. When you add it to the Action Pod, you have the functionality to use the flip out screen. And this automatically turns it into a fully blown 4K vlogging camera with 140 minutes of recording time. Folks, that's over 2 hours of 4K recording in this tiny little package. Now, Insta360 would like me to talk about all of the included features, like the horizon lock and the blur jitter reduction and the tilt fix modes. There's many modes, and I would love to talk about all them, but you probably already know all this because I'm definitely not going to be the first reviewer you've seen talk about this Insta360 Go 3S. So what I want to do is talk about my actual experiences, because I haven't just opened this and stayed in the studio. I've gone places. As talked about, I was very recently in Lapland for a magical Christmas holiday with the family. And if it wasn't for this, I wouldn't have had half the memories. And for me, that's the most important thing. You can throw money at a lot of things, but all that really matters in life is memories. And because of this little thing, I have captured some stunning footage that'll live on with the Reed family forever. Now, I showed you some of the attachments. Honestly, the possibilities are endless as to what you can clip it to and how you can use it. It'll magnetically clip to, well, anything. You can clip it to your hat, your helmet. And the main thing I done was actually just slap it on my beanie hat with the magnet, and I was good to go. One cool feature that I do want to talk about, I mentioned the recording time that this gives you. Well, when you've got this in interval mode, and you can control it all through the action pad, which you can set up while it's attached to the action pod. However, once that's set up, it's saved on here. So as soon as you hit the record button on here, it will do your intervals, and you can set the interval time to customize it however you like. Maybe every 2 minutes, every 1 minute, every 5 minutes, and that'll just keep turning on for about 30 seconds every 5 minutes. And folks, when you're out traveling or whatever you're doing for a long period of time, that mode comes in clutch. And another very cool feature about this 4K thumb-size camera is, well, it is white, and I was somewhere that was, well, it was all white. It was all snow. And if it wasn't for having this new feature, I wouldn't have come back home with this. Yes, the new 3GS comes with Find My support. If you have an iPhone, this will automatically get added to your Find My. Just go into your Find My app and it'll pop up straight away. If not, add the device. Not me, I'm going to blame my son for this. He dropped this in, yes, the snow. And I didn't notice for about a minute or two. So I got the phone out, I used the app, and henceforth, I came home with it. The Find My app, don't get me wrong, listen, that was a really unique case scenario. I'm not saying you should go ahead and buy this just for the Find My support. I'm just giving you my real life experience, and I would have lost it if it wasn't for that. So well done Insta360 for including Find My support. And then another thing that I've not heard many people speak about, and something that I don't even think Insta told me to speak about, but this matters. If you've got a vlogging camera in your pocket this size, you would imagine the microphone quality is pretty trash. And if you want the best microphone quality, you can get an external DJI or Anchorwork or whoever you want to use for your external mic provider. As long as it's Bluetooth, it'll connect to this no problems at all. However, the internal mics on this thing eliminate that for me. I don't need an external mic. Take a listen to the clip I've already shown you, but this time with audio. Ready? Yeah. Ready, go! Oh no, I'm away! Ah! Ah! Woohoo! Woohoo! Ah! 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 Where did he? He fell. Oh, did he fall right at the top? You alright? I just wiped out here. Now, the camera itself has fantastic built-in memory. However, there is micro SD card support on the Action Pod if you want to get many more gigabytes of memories. I would recommend that, and picking up the quick reader I showed you earlier. It's got a USB-C and a lightning cable at either end. Plug it into your phone and it'll quickly transfer your files onto that device. So whether it's Apple or Android or straight to your MacBook or Windows Media laptop. So to summarise, is this the best action camera you can get? I don't see what could make it better. I've flashed up some images and you would have seen in our reviews, this is also waterproof. This thing here can go 30 feet. You can go diving with this with no issues whatsoever. Go swimming, attach it to yourself magnetically and go for a nice long swim. The fact that this is now 4K, an upgrade on the previous version's 2.7K, and I'm going to use that footage in this video to show you how easy it was in real time. Found something magnetic, clipped it, hit record, done. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. I'll be back soon with a first impressions of the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. A massive shout out to Insta360 for sending this across. I will be heading to Vegas for CES in January. Fingers crossed they can hook me up with the X4 360 camera, but if they can't, that's okay. I've got the X3 and I love that device. Now the link to the Insta360 website is down below. If you use that link, I'm sure there'll be some perks and benefits you can get in there. Until next time.